Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I talked about the float type variable. In this pill, continuing the topic about variables, the theme is variable of type string or str. Example 19. Little Bob got an internship at his uncle's office, Richard. His first mission was to create the employee's emails, joining the employee's name with the company's domain. He thought about assigning text to variables. Will this work? Go, little Bob! First variable, employee name, Bob. Single or double quotes are the same. Second variable equals to Richard office. Third variable, we can create another variable called email, which adds or rather concatenates the two previous variables. Don't worry about that term now, as it will be seen later. We run, the green color appeared, everything went well. Congrats, little Bob, the complete email is here. I use the type function again so that Python tells us what type of variable this is. Answer: it's a string variable, that is, the one that stores text inside itself. We will use a lot of string throughout the life of Python programming. Well, that's it for now. I will see on the next pill. Bye bye.